math work to figure out the percentage base array? Did they give me a percentage when I'm asked for a base? You're the percentage word problem we love the most, but you can bet before we're through, Mr. I'll somehow answer you. Time consuming as origami, but worth the wait. Once you found that rate, you are sure to win. We are a smart but pathetic lot, 'cause we haven't got a clue. But we will make an answer out of you.
On this first problem, Linda received 50% of the votes cast for the president of the Student Council of Fine High School. If Linda received 594 votes, how many votes were cast? I let x equals the total vote. And then 0.54x equals Linda's vote. And 0.54 is because that's the decimal form of 54%. So 0.54x equals 594 because 594 is the amount of votes she got. And then I divide 0.54 on both sides. And then I end up with x equals 1,100, which means there was a total of 1,100 votes cast. On the next problem, how many liters of water must be evaporated from a 220 liters of a solution that is 5% salt to leave a solution that is 5.5% salt? For this problem, I make a table. I make the first column be the percent of salt, the second column to be the amount, and the third column to be the total. And then make the left column, the first left column, H2O for water, solution 1, and then the mix. Since there's no salt on the water, I make the first column 0 for H2O, and then 5 for salt, solution 1, and then 5.5 for the mix. On the second column, I let x be the amount of H2O, and then 220 the amount of solution 1, and then the mix to be 220 minus x. The total is the first column multiplied by the second column. So for water is 0. For solution 1 it's 1,100, and the mix is 5.5x times 220 minus x. For the equation, I add the H2O and the solution and set it equal to the mix. So 1,100 equals 5.5 times 220 minus x. 1,100 equals 1,210 minus 5.5x. And when you subtract 1,210 on both sides, it's negative 110 equals negative 5.5x, which makes x equals 20. This results in that there's 20% of water must be evaporated